Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Forms connected to no-code automations. Quick tutorial. To uninstall Google Forms connected to no-code automations, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Forms website. Log in to your Google account if required. Locate the specific form you want to uninstall. Click on the form to open it. Go to the Responses tab at the top of the form. Here, you will see the connected no-code automation tools listed. Identify the automation you wish to disconnect. Click on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 vertical dots. Select Unlink or Disconnect from the drop-down menu. Confirm your choice if prompted to ensure that you want to disconnect the automation. After unlinking, check for any additional settings that need to be adjusted. Navigate back to the form editing mode. Review any settings related to the previously connected automations. If needed, remove any references to those automations within your form settings. Finally, save any changes you've made to ensure everything is updated. You have now successfully uninstalled Google Forms connected to no-code automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.